What up, YouTube? It's your boy I Fit In. Today is about to be my first unpacking video. I be stumbling on my words in front of this camera, y'all. It's ridiculous. So, I don't feel like getting up to go get something out the kitchen, so I'm gonna just use my handy dandy pocket knife. Fits right on my keychain. Just like that. This package is from Nest, by the way. It's I think it came from Reliance. So, let's see what they sent me. If y'all have any critiques, please let me know, because I don't really know much about the packaging thing. I see other people do it. Alright. Box is open. Now it's time to get to the nitty gritty. What's in this wrapping? Don't need that. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Oh. Reliance sent me a free gift. Look at this. Means I don't have to pay for it. I like things I don't have to pay for. Looks like technology. Looks fancy too. Too lazy to do it the right way. Get this plastic off of here. Okay. Well, that's easy. Not much to be done right here. Wow. Bruh. You kidding me? What does this thing do anyway? This is free? Y'all gonna send me this heavy electronic device for free? Oh, it comes with other stuff. I guess just to plug it in, obviously. But where are the instructions? Did I throw them? Did I toss them? Okay, plug in your device, download and set up Google Home app. Tell your device, hey, Google, talk to Reliant. Go to discover the Google Home app, select link to log into your Reliant account. Okay, I hope that Reliant isn't the only thing that I could use this for, because that would really be a bummer. I have an online account with them already, and I go to it from my laptop. Whoa, is this plastic not supposed to come off? We'll find out later. It might be a screen protector. My screen don't need no protecting. Yes, 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 yes. Good, good, good. I like to clean up my messes after I make them, so I'm just gonna go back into the box. Rather sloppy, but this thing looks valuable, like I need it, so we'll keep that. And these are the instructions. This is for the plug, I don't need that. You know what? I'm just gonna put this all back in here the right way, because I really don't wanna have to clean up a mess later. So, in you go. I don't. There you go. Come on. Right back up down there. Yep. This is delivery thing. I don't get why Reliant sent me this, because I've only been with them for 3 years. So I guess a 3-year milestone means something. Okay, I'm gonna have to move you guys real quick, because my plug outlet is on the couch, and I want to be able to show you guys how this thing works. Ew. I do again. Okay. Excuse the awkward angle. You are sitting on one of my couch pillows. Stop trying to make me sign in. No. Okay. This is so exciting. Okay. Plug it in. Turn it on. Ooh! Ooh! Straight to that Google. Hold on, clear the camera. There you go. Yes, yes, yes. You see how the screen goes dark on the laptop whenever... Oh, golly, this is bright. Hopefully I can turn the brightness level down. This is ridiculous. I can't even see myself in my own screen.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off.
Yeah. So that's it. I'm not gonna download anything on my phone because my phone does not have enough space. But yeah, this fancy schmancy thing, it probably only lets me do that Google Home Hub thing. I don't think it'll let me do much else on this.
The mic's back
on. Go to internet. Go to the internet.
The mic's off. The mic's back on.
Go to internet. Why are you not listening to me? Okay. They forced my hand. But I already have Google on this. I might already have Google. Yeah, I think I already have Google on this. Google G.co home set up. Yes, yes, yes. Do it. It's still making me go get the app. Oh my God. The phone. This is rather frustrating because I don't know if I even have the space for this. And I would hate to delete PewDiePie's Tuber Simulator. But I might have to. This might be more important. I don't know. It's a close call. Come on, download. Come on, 17%, 16. It's installing. It does this part really slow, so come on. Sometimes it'll do this and then tell me right afterwards that it didn't install all the way because I don't have enough space. After making me wait all this time. This is annoying. For your entertainment, look at my watch until this is done. Oh, it's done. Okay. Get started? No. Come on. So I can control everything in my house with this thing. Okay, set up devices. Home nickname. Oh, okay. Nick Home, I guess. Done. Come on. I think it's locating it. Location access is needed to detect nearby Wi-Fi signals. I don't know how to turn this one on. Hey, turn on Wi-Fi. Allow. So, I don't know how this works, guys. This is really annoying. Link your smart home services like Philips Hue and TP-Link. Oh my god. Can you like activate? Does this thing not work? I don't see where the Wi-Fi is. Just mic and volume. Okay, maybe I need to turn off my mobile hotspot that way. Dude. It can't be on airplane mode. There, it's on. Yes. There we go. Connected. It's connecting, I mean. Yes. Follow instructions in the Google Home app. Okay. I don't know why, but I really want to figure out how this thing works. Yes. Yes, I'm in. We'll start with living room. Let's go. So this needs to be done with Wi-Fi, and I don't have it. I have mobile hotspot. So let me see. My mobile hotspot is called. Phoenix 3 underscore bad 2. So I have to have Wi-Fi for this thing. That's a bummer. I want to turn this off. Stupid device. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have to wait until we get Wi-Fi for that. Thank you for watching.